Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Messenger group option not showing on home page. Go to Google Play Store, search on Messenger, search Messenger, update Messenger app if showing on Play Store. Go to phone setting, click on apps, click on Messenger, click on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now open on Messenger app. Messenger group option showing on your homepage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.